take back someone who cheated. If you can, and if you can forgive them in your heart, then it's a good thing. But understand that there is a reason why they cheated on you. And I actually cover one explanation that is very potent in my latest article, and you can find that in the description below. And just tap or click on that link and you can read the whole article, because that will help women to understand how they can get someone back who cheated on them, if that is a route you want to take. If you want another route, then move on and leave him. But if you want to know if you can take him back, yes, that's possible as long as you follow the advice. But you find him in the description below. Click or tap on that link. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video for more videos like this.